Hey guys, so welcome to Respira Cleanse, another really one of my favorites. I can't even say it enough. I think I say it on every single video, but funny story about Respira Cleanse that I wanted to share with you guys. So I was at a conference and there was a woman, she was just coughing. I don't know if she'd just gotten to Atlanta and the pollen hit her, but she was really struggling during the conference. And I went up to my office. I knew I had a bottle up there. I brought it down to her and I just gave it to her. It's like, look, if you're into herbal stuff, this will help you because it's going to calm the cough, which is so irritating, especially when you're trying to go about in your successful day. So, long story short, I, did the whole teardown of the conference. I come back down and she's at the elevator and I'm like, wait, and she's coughing profusely. Sorry. She's like coughing at the elevator and I'm like, wow. I was like, didn't it help? She's like, yes, it did. I just came back from the hotel to come back and get it because I had forgotten it at my chair in the conference room. So, she had left, came all the way back to get her Respira Cleanse because it helped her on the spot. So, hey, great product if you're dealing with asthma, pollen, anything where you're just constantly irritated with like a sore throat, runny nose, or just an annoying cough.